Some dogs look adorable, but the truth is, they're not always easy to live with. Some breeds are super independent, some are full of endless energy, and others are just plain stubborn. Even professional trainers admit, these pups can be a real handful. But that doesn't mean they don't deserve love. It just means they need the right kind of home, with someone who understands their quirks. Today at Doggy Pedia, we're sharing 10 dog breeds that trainers rarely recommend, and why they can be such a challenge. Maybe your favorite is on the list, or maybe you'll discover a side of dogs you never expected. 1. Belgian Malinois. The Belgian Malinois is like that friend who drinks 3 cups of coffee before 8 a.m. and is already planning a marathon by noon. These dogs are insanely smart, athletic, and alert, basically built for action 24/7. That's why you'll often see them working in military or security roles. The problem? All that brain power and energy don't exactly make them the easiest family pet. If you don't keep them busy, they'll find their own way to stay entertained. And trust me, that usually means chewing, digging, or trying to hurt everything in sight. Trainers often hesitate to recommend the Malinois because they're not just active, they're intense. They need hours of exercise, constant mental challenges, and super consistent training. Miss any of those, and you're looking at a frustrated, destructive dog that's tough to handle. They can be amazing for the right person, but for most owners, this breed is simply too much dog to manage. 2. Siberian Husky. The Siberian Husky may look like a majestic wolf, but those icy blue eyes come with a mischievous streak a mile wide. They're escape artists by nature, always testing fences, gates, and even windows just to see what's on the other side. Add in their loud talking. Yes, they argue back when you give commands, and you've got a breed that's as entertaining as it is challenging. Trainers rarely recommend Huskies because they're stubborn, independent thinkers. They weren't bred to please humans, they were bred to pull sleds and make decisions in tough conditions. That means they'll often ignore you if they don't feel like cooperating. Combine that with their endless energy and love for running, and you'll quickly realize a Husky isn't for everyone. 3. Border Collie. The Border Collie is basically the Einstein of the dog world. They're incredibly smart, quick learners, and have an endless drive to work. These dogs need at least 2 to 3 hours of exercise every single day, and not just long walks. They thrive on activities like agility courses, frisbee, herding trials, or even advanced obedience games that challenge both their bodies and their brains. If you don't give them a job, they'll invent one, and that usually means hurting your kids, chasing cars, or chewing up things you'd rather keep intact. Trainers often hesitate to recommend Border Collies because keeping up with them feels like a full-time commitment. They're not just active, they're relentless. Without proper outlets, they can quickly become anxious, destructive, and flat-out exhausting to live with. But in the right environment, like a farm, a sport-loving home, or with someone who can dedicate hours to training, they shine as one of the most capable and loyal dogs you'll ever meet. 4. Cane Corso. The Cane Corso is a powerhouse with a personality to match. Unlike many dogs, they have a natural instinct to assess every situation themselves, which can make them both impressive and unpredictable. They're extremely protective of their family, but that means they might challenge strangers, or even other pets, without hesitation. Their alertness is amazing for security, but it also means they're constantly on guard, which can be exhausting for owners who aren't ready for that level of intensity. Trainers rarely recommend Cane Corsos because they require consistent leadership combined with mental stimulation, or they'll start testing boundaries in clever and sometimes stubborn ways. In short, this breed is brilliant, devoted, and protective, but not a dog you can wing it with. 5. Tibetan Mastiff. The Tibetan Mastiff looks like a giant teddy bear, but don't be fooled. This dog was bred to guard flocks in the Himalayas, and that instinct runs deep. They're fiercely independent and suspicious of strangers, which makes them natural protectors, but also extremely hard to train. Unlike breeds that want to please you, the Tibetan Mastiff prefers to make its own decisions, and usually thinks it knows better than you. These dogs are known to be stubborn, territorial, and incredibly strong. A simple walk can turn into a battle of wills if they don't feel like cooperating, and their booming bark will let the whole neighborhood know when they're unhappy. They also don't do well with repetitive drills. If training isn't interesting, they'll just tune you out. In the right environment, with lots of space and a very experienced owner, they can be loyal guardians. 6. Rottweiler. The Rottweiler is a powerhouse with a natural instinct to protect and dominate. Unlike some dogs that follow rules easily, Rottweilers have a strong sense of their territory and can react quickly to perceived threats, sometimes before you even realize there's an issue. That intensity can be amazing for protection, but it also means they're not forgiving of inconsistent training or weak leadership. These dogs require someone who can handle both their strength and their sharp mind. Without proper socialization and firm guidance, a Rottweiler can become overly protective, stubborn, or even bossy toward family members or other pets. They're loyal and confident, but that same confidence can make them very challenging for first-time owners or anyone not ready to take the lead. 7th, Akita. The Akita is a big, confident dog with a personality all its own. They were bred to hunt large game and guard, which means they have a strong prey drive and can see smaller pets, or even fast-moving kids, as things to chase. They also form very selective bonds, usually connecting deeply with one person while staying distant or suspicious of others. That independence and intensity makes them fascinating, but also tricky to manage in a normal household. While the Akita's loyalty is amazing, it can turn into possessiveness if not guided from an early age. Combined with their natural hunting instincts, an Akita can be unpredictable around other animals or unfamiliar people. In the right home, with an experienced owner who understands their unique mindset, they're majestic and devoted. But for most households, this breed is a serious challenge. 8. Doberman Pinscher. The Doberman Pinscher is sleek, fast, and built like a tank, basically a bodyguard in a fur coat. They were bred to protect and work alongside humans, so they're incredibly alert and intelligent. What makes them tricky for most owners is their sensitivity to stress and strong attachment to their family. They can become anxious or stubborn if left alone too long, and they're known for being prone to health issues like dilated cardiomyopathy and hip dysplasia, which can make training and exercise more challenging. Trainers rarely recommend Dobermans because they're highly protective, strong-willed, and need constant mental stimulation. Without proper guidance, they can become dominant or reactive, especially around strangers. Add in their health sensitivities and high energy, and you quickly see why they're not a casual dog. In the right home, with experienced, committed owners, they're loyal, affectionate, and alert companions. 9. Chow Chow. The Chow Chow might look like a cuddly lion, but that fluffy face got a strong independent streak that's legendary. They weren't bred to please humans, they were bred as guard dogs in China, which means they often decide for themselves what's okay and what's not. They're also known for being aloof and selective with their affection, often bonding closely with just one or two family members while keeping everyone else at a polite distance. Chow Chows need very consistent training and early socialization, or they may develop guarding or aggressive behaviors. Their thick coat also requires regular grooming, but the bigger challenge is their headstrong personality. In short, a Chow Chow is majestic and loyal, but only if you're ready to meet them on their terms. 10. Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu might look like a cute fox-like pup, but they're basically the king or queen of independence. Shibas think for themselves and often have their own agenda, whether that's ignoring commands, bolting out the door, or deciding your lap is not the place for cuddles today. They're clever, confident, and love to test boundaries, which can quickly turn training into a battle of wills. Shiba Inus aren't exactly known for following the rules. They can be unpredictable around small animals, strangers, or even other dogs, and they tend to bolt if they see something interesting. Socialization and consistent training are a must, but even then, these little foxes like doing things on their own terms. In the right home, they're playful, funny, and fiercely loyal, but for most owners, a Shiba Inu is a challenge you have to respect. And that's a wrap on 10 dog breeds that even trainers think twice about. These dogs are smart, loyal, and amazing, but they're not for everyone. If you're thinking of bringing one into your home, make sure you know what you're signing up for. Some of these breeds need tons of exercise, mental challenges, and firm guidance every single day. Owning one can be rewarding, but it's definitely not a walk in the park. Always do your homework before choosing a breed. It can save you a lot of stress. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about different dog breeds, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Doggy Pedia for more. Which breed surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your experiences. And if there's a breed or topic you're curious about, let me know. Your suggestion might just show up in the next video. Know someone thinking of getting a dog? Or curious which breeds can be a real handful? Feel free to share this video with them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.